We just got some crazy runs in. Y'all know my car, ESS G3R 110 on E85. We have a 3.8 liter Whipple Shelby GT500. This car makes about like 11. And we got a badass race. The first race he spun, the second race went about how I expected it. Clutch did that weird shit like third to fourth, but it is what it is. Wanted to see how I would do against this car on the 110. So I actually ran this car way back on the Pro Charger setup when I was on 93 octane.
Flashback.
Oh my god! So I thought that was pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? We can go ahead and see how the cars stack up. I think it went pretty good, honestly. I think it went pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy with it. And we got a single turbo Z here. Damn! Shit, this bitch gutted. This car's quick. I don't know what we went to, but I threw 5th gear at the very end. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna throw 5th gear. That race was close, like literally door to door. Badass race. I think like a 60 to like probably like 100 and I don't know what that was, to be honest with you. It was over 150, I'll tell you that. A good run. I don't know the size turbo on this car though, but that shit sticking to the hood. This thing's quick. Got a weld on it. Manual too. No stick shift car. Hell yeah. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those runs. Crazy. That Z is fast. We actually ran that car a few months ago when we had the stock clutch on the car. Don't know how much horsepower that car is making. They're not gonna go ahead and tell me the actual numbers, but I do know it's light. It probably weighs in the upper 2,000 pound range. It has to, because that thing had nothing in it and it's moving out. It ran the Whipple S650 with the 3.3 pulley on E30, and we know for a fact that car is fast. I know the 60 to 130, the 100 to 150 data on that car, so that Z is 100% moving out. We ran that Whipple GT500. I wanted to go ahead and see exactly where the car was at against that GT500. Like I said previously, we raced that car way back when I had the Pro Charger 93 octane, the stock pulley. Obviously, we got gapped. This was definitely a different outcome. Went as expected. The first run, he spun. The second run, I don't know if you guys could see in the camera footage, but when I went into 4th gear, I might have hit like one of those like weird dips in the road because the suspension unloaded and I was kind of going up and down. Now again, we didn't win. We're like 1-1, but I'm curious if we ran on my spot in Mexico, because it's flat, how it would go. But it don't matter because we're gonna go ahead and turn up the car. So there it is, guys. This is what this car could do with the 110 millimeter pulley, E85. You know, that was like the final boss car. Realistically, that is a 3.8 Whipple Shelby GT500 with a 325 pulley. So think about that. A GT500 with a 3.8, not a 3.0, a 3.8 with the 325. Essentially what is King Daddy on this car or this platform: 3.0, 325. 3.8, 325. You can't be upset with that, realistically. You know what I'm saying? We held it off as long as we could with the situation that we were in. This is a stick shift car. Crazy. The ESS G3R it's the real deal. It for real is the real deal. This kind of seals the deal that it is the real deal. And this is, we need to dyno the car, because that car, I know how much it makes. I think it's like 1,100 horsepower right there. Holy cow. This car probably makes like 950 realistically, because there's no way we should have got snatched off the road. Completely snatched off the road. The fact that we jumped out was nuts. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Deuces. Stay safe out there, y'all.